Hello class 3. Hope you all are fine and you all have done well in your half yearly exam. So today we will be starting our new chapters for our final terms. Okay, the chapter 8, that is birds. As you all know that birds are the beautiful creature of God. You see many types of birds in the sky, and many of the birds you used to and many of them you all like to keep many of the birds at home also, like parrots, hen, many other pet birds are there that you can kept at home. So in this chapter we will be reading about birds. Okay, now see, follow in the chapter. We see many different kinds of birds flying in the sky. They have different colors and size. A crow is black while a parrot is green. A pigeon is smaller than a peacock. And different birds have different food and nesting habits, which mainly depends on their biological structure. So different birds depends on different foods and different structure. Means the way of living, the way of eating. So the different birds follow the different types of way of living. Like crow is black, parrot is green, and pigeon is small. So these are some differences between among the birds. So let us read the chapter. So let us read about birds. Birds, nature's wonderful creation. As I told you, wonderful creation. They are the most attractive creature on the earth. They are found everywhere in the world, in the polar regions, near the seas, jungles, desert, and sea. So you can find birds everywhere. Might it be a polar region, maybe a jungle, maybe a desert, or in the city also. So birds have wings and a body covered with feathers, which make them different from other animals. So see the diagram of birds. So how the birds body parts work. See, the eyes is given, beak, neck, abdomen, feathers, claws, the foot on tails and wings. So how do birds fly? We will read in this how do birds fly. So birds have some special features that help them to fly. These features are as follows. Birds have boot-shaped body. So as a boot floats in the water, the body of a bird help it to float in the air. So the body of the bird is just like a boots, as you all know that boots swims in the water, floats in the water. So the same with the birds also. Bird's body is able to fly in the air. Now see the next one. Birds have thin and hollow bones. Air is filled in these bones that makes the body light. Lightweight body can go high in the sky. Uh, then there are feathers on the bird's body. The feathers make the body lighten and help the birds to keep the body warm. Birds' feathers keep the body warm and also help them from cold and rain. So feathers are the clothes for the birds. Now fourth one. Birds have wings made of feathers. The wings work like their arms. They have strong muscles like flight muscles attached to the breastbone, which help to move the wings. So fifth one, a bird has a tail which is made of a feather. It helps the bird to change the direction while flying. So the bird can change its direction with the help of his flying tail. So hope you all have understood till here. Come to next. Now we will be reading about different types of feathers. What are feathers on the bird's body are of different types. Down feather, body feather, flight feather. So what is down feather? Down feather, these feathers keep the body warm. Body feather, the feathers are all around the bird's body. Flight feather, these feathers are found in the wings and tail. They help a bird fly. See this one, flight feather, that is colorful and it helps the body to fly high. Now see, flying movement of a bird. So in order to fly, a bird moves its wings both in the upward and downward. As you all have seen that how the bird used to fly up and down, upward and downward. These strokes are called upstrokes and downstrokes. So firstly the bird takes a desired height, then it stops flapping its wings and swim and simply glides through the air. They spread their wings to stop flying and land on the ground. So this way the bird used to fly. As you all know that student, bird क्या करती है, बर्ड को जब नीचे ग्राउंड पे आना होता है तो वो फ्लाई करना स्टॉप कर देती है, अपने विंग्स को रोक लेती है, वो नीचे की तरफ आ जाती है when birds want to come to the ground. So this way the movement take place in the bird. Now come to next page. Birds like hens and peacocks fly short distance at small heights. As you all know that hen and peacock are not able to fly high like small birds do. Then see water bird. We will read about water bird. Birds like swan, duck, gull, etc. can swim. These birds have webbed feet that help them to swim. They have oil glands under their skin that help them to make their feathers waterproof for swimming in water. See, water birds क्या होती है? Water birds like swan, duck and gull etc. Because they have their webbed feet, they are able to like swim in the water. Now how do birds eat? Let us see. Birds do not have teeth. They have a beak. As you all have seen ना कि beak होती है. Beak means what you mean by beak? Beak is a चोंच. जो birds की चोंच होती है उससे उन लोग खाते हैं. Then see, a bird uses its beak to catch and hold. Eat food. All birds do not eat the same kind of food. Their eating habits depend upon the shape of their beaks and claws. They may eat insect flesh, grains of fruits and nuts. These are the things which birds eat. So different types of beaks have different beaks, type of beaks all the birds is having. Flesh eating birds such as eagle, vulture. As you all know that eagles and vultures they used to eat a flesh. मांस खाते हैं ना वो. Okay, then see, these are called the birds of prey. They feed on insects, small birds, etc. They have a strong, sharp beak and sharp claws because they have the beaks and beaks are very sharp of eagle and vulture. So they used to eat a flesh. Now we will know that eagles and vultures have sharp claws called talons. What we call talons? Talons are the sharp claws of the eagles and vulture. They use talons to pick up small animals like toads, mice and rat. Yeah, you all have seen now. You must have seen in the story or TV that eagle used to pick up the mouse, rat. So the same thing. Birds such as sparrow and pigeons eat nuts and seeds. These birds have strong, short and hard beaks that help them to crack open their food. They use their feet to hold on to tree branches and sit on them. Sparrow used to pick up the things with the help of their feet and they used to eat with the help of their beaks. Then the woodcutter has two toes pointing in the upward direction and two toes in the downward direction. This helps the bird to climb up and hold on the tree trunk. It has a long sharp beak to tap the bark of trees and pull out insects. So different type of birds have different things to live their life. God has provided different things to different type of birds according to their needs and according to their habits. Now see, what is nest of birds? Nests are birds' home. Nest means ghosla. Yes, birds make their nest in trees, on cliffs, on the ground, or in old buildings. They make nests to lay their eggs and protect their babies. As you all know that nest is used by the birds to protect their babies and to keep their babies and to keep their eggs. To make nest they use things like grass, rags, cotton, wools, etc. You all know that students, जो birds होती है वो बहुत हार्ड वर्क करती नेस्ट को बनाने में. They used to take many different types of things like wool, rags, cotton. They used to collect from many of the places जब उनका एक nest बनता है. Then see, the nest is a home for birds. Different birds build different types of nests. See, a sparrow builds a nest on the tree top. स्पैरो क्या करती है, ट्री के सबसे ऊपर नेस्ट बनाती है. देन सी, अ पैट्रिज बिल्ड्स अ नेस्ट ऑन द ग्राउंड बिकॉज a tailor bird stitches leaves to make its net. See how the why the bird is called tailor? Because it used to stitch the, जैसे हम लोग स्टिच करते हैं ना क्लोथ्स को, सेम वैसे वो लीव्स को स्टिच करके अपना नेस्ट बनाती है. द सेम वे सी इन द पिक्चर. Okay, now come to next page. Now see, a weaver bird weaves its nest using twigs, grass, wool, etc. in a beautiful manner. See, weaver bird is this. And the woodpecker picks into tree trunk and makes a hole for a nest. Now see, as soon as the egg laying season comes near, a bird starts building its nest after laying eggs. The bird keeps them warm until the baby hatches out of them. The parent birds care for the babies until they learn to fly and find food for themselves. So as soon as the season, जैसे ही bird egg laying season आता है वैसे ही birds अपना नेस्ट बनाना स्टार्ट कर देती ताकि वहाँ पे वो अपने एग्स को रख सकें. एंड दे यूज टू कीप देयर एग्स एंड दे कैन टीच देयर बेबीज for eating and flying. Yes. Now see, birds are a feather friend. They are beautiful and look good in the sky. Besides, birds are helpful to us in many ways. Some birds eat insects and thus protect the crops of the farmer. Some birds like crows and vultures eat dead animals and thus help to keep the environment clean. And the third one, some birds help in spreading seeds and thus help it in the growth of the plant. So this way birds are also helpful for us. So we have to take care of the nature's creature birds, so that because they are very helpful for our day-to-day life. So hope you all have understood the chapter. Chapter is very easy, and do complete the works in copy, and you all have done well in your exams, and I am hoping that you all do good in your final terms also. Okay, have a nice day, good day, take care.